Good afternoon guys, ngayon ay tuturuan ko kayo mag-connect ng printer to a network. First ay ito na, connect muna tayo sa wifi. Punta sa status, network and sharing center. Yan. Change advanced sharing settings. Yan. Pindot lang guys. Turn on ay network discovery at saka turn on file and printer sharing. Turn on network discovery, tas turn on file and printer sharing. Next, use 1 to 8 bit. Turn off password protected sharing. 7 change. Next, control panel, hardware and sounds, device and printers. Pindutin lang yan guys. Hanapin natin yung printer. Canon. Yan. Printer and properties. Yan guys, pindot lang. Change sharing option. Share this printer. Apply. Yan. Okay. Tapos punta tayo sa settings. Find scan lang. Printer at scanner ilagay natin. Add the printers. Antayin lang natin guys. Select, tapos pindutin natin yung select share printer. Lagyan natin yung IP nya. Punta tayo sa internet properties, scroll down, hanapin natin yung pangalan ng printer. Next, printer name Canon. Next, lepasan.
Oh, mati mo BBM lang, BBM lang. Rema. Okay. Okay.
Paldo.